Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notifications of when I upload new content. Today I am back sharing my Project 2 from using my items that I received from Beebeecraft. They have a YouTube program. If you have 100 subscribers, where they will send you free products for you to review and try and upload a few videos. So if you're interested in that program, I will link it in the description below. And I am using this bead kit that I got from Beebeecraft, and I actually used the red cord that I got with it, and I tied on this little handmade wooden piece. This dangle is the one that I made when I did my project share. I will link that video down below. But I also used some items, the jump rings and such from Beebeecraft, the rainbow resin piece, and so I used the red cord on this. I used a wooden heart embellishment that was in this kit. I used it here, and then I used two of the wooden pieces to make a little tag up top. I put the dangly on as the string for my tag, and I made a tag with it has a little pocket on the front. As you can see, I just glued the second piece just a little bit bigger so that it would make the pocket. And I used some of the pieces from Crafty Girl collection. But then I also used this, and I thought, since I want to put a few of Hey Crafty Girl and the scrapbook collection, I thought I'd put a few tags in it, in the pocket. And then a couple of die cuts kind of sticking out there. They're all to do with, you know, getting crafty. This says get your craft on. It shows a crafting desk, Crafty Girl, and then the create die cut in the back. And this one says, why buy when you can DIY? So a couple of goodies there in the pocket. And then I thought I would use one of the rainbow resin pieces from Beebeecraft to make a paper clip to go on the front, to also go down into the pocket. If I can get these open. And you just, when I make my paper clips, I just glue them onto the back of a resin piece. Now I do use super glue. Some people use different glues, but if you want your paper clip to stay on securely and not come off, then I suggest you use super glue. You have to hold it for just a few seconds, make sure it's straight. Put a little more on. It's having a little trouble sticking. I'm usually pretty bad with super glue. I have a tendency to get it all over my fingers and have everything glued together. So just blow on that a little, and then I will also put a matching button on the back of the paper clip, just to kind of cover it a little bit. to help hold it securely. Just let that dry for a few seconds. And while that is drying, I thought I would put a few of the enamel dots. This is from the Happy Days collection, but I thought this blue and this green match really well. And when I use enamel dots, I always go with an odd number. I don't like to be matchy-matchy. So I will use an odd number of the enamel dots, and maybe even stick in a couple of this blue. And then I put the crayons on. They are little buttons, and I just snipped off with my wire cutters. I just snipped off the little back, the button part of it. I think my paper clip is not super secure yet, but I will link the wooden beads and wooden pieces. I will link this in the description below, and the rainbow resin pieces I will link in the description below. And then I thought I would just stick the paper clip right on here. Oh, fell apart. Hold on. Because I'm really bad with super glue. I don't know if I'm the only person that gets it all over, but let me tell you, I can really make a mess with super glue. Get my little tool out so that I can hold it all together. There we go. And then I'm going to let that dry just a little bit longer. But there is the paper clip, and I'm going to clip it to the pocket. But here is my tag with the little dangly and with the paper clip that will go in it. And I think it turned out super cute. And to go along with the create and the craftiness, the handmade wooden tag that I attached at the top goes really well. So here is my little tag. It's actually for a swap. So this is what my partner will be getting. And I love the way it turned out. I love how versatile all of the products from Beebeecraft are, you know, and you get so many ideas from watching everyone's video, and everybody has a different style, so it you know, you get to see all the different projects that everybody's making. So here is my project 2 from Beebeecraft, and I will be coming back with another crafty planner video soon. So stay tuned for that, and have a wonderful night.